Well, are you worried about personal protection for yourself and your family? Well, the times they are changing, so I think we have some new things to worry about there. How do we protect ourselves in a so-called gun-free zone? Because gun-free zones are a popular place for criminals to hang out. After all, they have a place there where they can go about their things without any obstructions. So in a gun-free zone, we know this much. You will become your own first responder. Let's talk about that. In today's discussion and presentation, we will learn how to focus using a wooden walking cane for an effective personal protection device in those places where having a firearm just isn't an option. So welcome to the Old School Defensive Cane Workshop. In this video, you will learn that slow, deliberate actions is the safest way to learn a new skill. Let's watch Anne as she gets ready to practice getting her whole body weight behind her leveled cane and driving the tip of that leveled cane right into her assailant's chest, knocking him backwards and off balance, and much to his surprise. Let's have a look. So, oh, that's right. Yes! Now, bring it back and lunge in again. Yes! Bring it back and lunge in again. Yes! Good, good. And here we see Anne with her cane in a horizontal position as she grabs the top of the cane, the hook end, with her strong hand, that would be her right hand in this case. And her left hand, her support hand, slides down the shaft to get a firm grip near the tip. Now, the cane comes up in a horizontal bar position. With that, she lunges forward with a very strong grip and rams into the assailant's chest, and it could slide up the chest and ram into the throat. And so, let's take a look. Now, allow this to slide down here. Now, push it. Yeah, so you got the strength of both arms in there. Coming out of your bad guy. Take a step back, slide that hand down, poke it. Yes. Look at you. Here we see Big John practicing with a chair. And the chair makes a good opponent because it's almost everybody would have a straight back wooden chair, and that mimics what the assailant may be. And so first John will take a jab, and then after the jab, he turns to the legs. First the right leg, then the left leg, and then he finishes up with whatever else is available to him in those below the belt strikes. And then he finishes with another jab towards his opponent's face. And so pushing his assailant backwards and off grip. Same idea then. Then go back and strike. Yes. Yes. Wow. Whoa. What do you think? I'm intimidated. In this next clip, we see John go to work on the legs against the chair. And they'll do all of this in slow motion. You learn best in slow motion. You don't learn how to do it fast. Learn how to do it slow, and speed will take care of itself. And so here, we'll see John go slow motion as he learns to place it here, place it there. He's after the legs. He hits one leg. Once he finishes that one, he swings and goes to the other leg. With enough damage done to the leg, then he takes care of everything else in between with a few more swats. Let's have a look and see how effective this can be. So see, there he was. He came back. Now go do a slow motion. Whang. See? That, side one. Side one. He's coming.